Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College. So in today's video, I'm going to cover Loyola College, which is located in Chennai. I will cover all the details and everything about Loyola College. First, I will give you some introduction about the college. Then I will give you some information about the infrastructure of the college. Next, I will tell you guys about the courses. I will cover all the courses which are available. Plus, I will cover the 2 shifts. Next, I will cover admission related things. So I will tell everything like how to apply to the college and like what is the admission procedure of Loyola College. So next, I will tell you when will the online portal open. So when will admission starts for 2021, and I will also show you guys the official notice by the college. So this is what I will cover in today's video. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. So first, I will give you a quick introduction about the college, and I will add some photos of the college, plus I will add some clips of the college. So Loyola College Chennai is a private Catholic higher education institution run by the Chennai Province of Society of Jesus in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It was founded in 1925. So the college is affiliated with the University of Madras. Loyola is ranked 6th among the top colleges in India by NIRF 2020. It offers various undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in the discipline of commerce, economics, vocational studies, humanities, physical science and many more. All the courses under the stream of arts, science and commerce are offered by the college in 2 shifts. Shift 1, which is government aided, and Shift 2 is self-supporting. So college offer 24 UG courses, 19 PG courses, 12 PhD courses and 11 MPhil courses. So next, I'm going to talk about infrastructure of the college, and for this I'm taking reference of the prospectus which is offered by the college itself. I will not go in deep about the infrastructure because you have everything available on the prospectus, so you can read it if you want more information, but I will just give you a quick overview. So first is Loyola houses one of the largest academic libraries. So they have one of the largest libraries which contains 1 lakh books, 96 journals, 9,000 e-journals and 2 lakh e-books. Book bank facility, air conditioned digital library furnished with 200 computers and open access from 8 am to 8 pm. Free internet access, printing, scanning and copying facilities, air conditioner scholar corner for research scholars, gym and reading room facilities. So gym is also available in the college. Also have their personal health center, which is Loyola Health Center. They also have smart classrooms. They have language labs. They also have students recreation center where the indoor game facilities separately for men and women students are available to relax, also to keep their belongings in lockers. Loyola hostels are also available in the college. You can get more information about the hostels in the prospectus, and they also have training and placement cell. The cell provide information and guidance to help students find hands-on experience and employment opportunities in collaboration with industries. It also organizes workshop and training sessions on communication and employability skills. They also conduct various co-curricular activities, so you can get the information in the prospectus. So this is all about infrastructure of the college. So as I said, they offer 24 UG courses. So I will talk in detail about UG courses in this video. And as I said, they have 2 shifts. Shift 1 is government aided and 2 is self-supporting or self-financed. So now let's cover the courses which are available in Shift 1. So Shift 1 class timing is from 8:15 am to 1:15 p.m. So in arts, they have BA Economics, BA English, BA History, BA Sociology and BA Tamil. From Commerce Department, they only offer BCom General. Next is from Science Department. So first course they offer in shift 1 is BSc Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, BSc Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics, BSc Statistics, BSc Visual Communication. So if you want to know about PG courses, then you can get the information in prospectus, so make sure to check that out. So in shift 1 they only offer 13 courses, and so now let's move on to shift 2. So shift 2 is self-supporting. So class timing for shift 2 is from 1:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So from Arts Department, the courses offered in shift 2 are BA Economics, BA English, BA French Literature, BA History. So now let's move on to Commerce Department. So Commerce Department, they offer BBA, BCom Corporate Secretaryship, BCom Journal, BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Computer Application, BCom Honors. So these are the courses which are offered by Commerce Department. So now let's move on to the Science Department. BCA, BSc Chemistry, BSc Computer Science, BSc Physics, BSc Visual Communication and BBM Multimedia and Animation. Next is a Vocational Department. So Vocational Department offers only 2 courses, B Vocational 3D Animation and B Vocational Digital Journalism. So these are all the courses which is offered by Loyola College plus the requirements. So now let's see the fees of these courses. They also have mentioned fee structure of PG courses. So here I am going to talk about UG courses only. Is only for the first semester, and so first I will cover shift 1 courses. So for BA Economics, as you can see the fee amount and category wise. So as I am from CBSE, so I will read the amount which is written in the CBSE column. For BA Economics and BA Sociology, the fees is 1100. For BA English Literature, the fees is 1100 380. For BA History, the fees is 10,190. For BA Tamil Literature, the fees is 10,200. For BCom Commerce, the fees is 12,630. For BSc Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, the fees is 11,540. For BSc Chemistry, the fees is 12,050. For BSc Mathematics, the fees is 11,720. For BSc Physics, the fees is 12,280. For BSc Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, the fees is 11,460. For BSc Statistics, the fees is 11,470. For BSc Visual Communication, the fees is 16,770. For B Vocational 3D Animation and B Vocational Digital Journalism, the fees is 22,100. So this is the fee structure for first semester. Now let's move on to the shift 2. BA Economics, the fees is 20,050. For BA English Literature, the fees is 21,560. For BA French and BA History, the fees is 17,880. For BA Computer Application and BSc Computer Science, the fees is 48,040. For BCom Commerce, for BBA and for BCom Corporate Secretaryship, the fees is 46,510. For BCom Honors, the fees is 75,100. For BMM Animation and for BSc Visual Communication, the fees is 53,020. For BSc Chemistry and for BSc Physics, the fees is 19,100. For BSc Mathematics, the fees is 18,930. For BCom Accounting and Finance and BCom Computer Application, the fees is 75,100. So this is the fee structure of shift 2 courses. So these are the fee structure for first semester. So for second semester, the fees will be minus 5,000. So this is all about the courses and fee structure. So now let's talk about the admission in Loyola College. So they have clearly mentioned in their prospectus that as per Jesus Chennai Province preferential option, Dalit Catholics, tribals and other marginalized in the society would given priority. So they have given some important notice here. You can read these and I'm going to read out the fifth point, which is no donation. Loyola College does not accept any donation in any form for admission. They have clearly mentioned that they don't accept donations. So you can read the selection process here. I'm going to read out the UG admission. So they have mentioned that screening process, which is the entrance exam plus interviews. So they take entrance exam for BSc Viscom, BMM, B Vocational 3D Animation and B Vocational Digital Journalism, and BCom Accounting and Finance, and BCom Honors, BCom Computer Application and BBA France. They take entrance exam for these courses. So the admission is merit based for all the other courses. The admission process is really simple. They will release an online application portal. You have to fill that application form. You have to register yourself. So they will take entrance exam for those courses. So you will get your entrance exam date and your interview date. They will email you. And for other merit based courses, then you will get the email by the college. So they haven't mentioned anything about cutoffs in their prospectus, and I don't study in Loyola College, so I don't have idea for cutoffs. So please don't come and ask me about the cutoffs because I really don't have idea for that. So if I get any information regarding cutoffs, then I will definitely mention in comment section. So when will admissions for 2021 starts? So the college have released an official notice regarding this. So this is the official website of the college. Here you can see the admissions 2021 to 2022. So when you click on this, you will get directed to the official notice by the college. So they have released the notice on 8th June 2021. Online application portal will be open immediately after +2 state board Tamil Nadu results are released. So they will open the online admission portal immediately after state board Tamil Nadu results are released. They are not saying about CBSE board here. They are talking about State Board Tamil Nadu. So make sure to check the official website regularly, and I will make detailed video like how to apply. And so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today's video. I think this video will be quite long, and because you guys were asking me to make a video about Loyola College, so you can check out the prospectus for more details. So that's it guys for today's video, and I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.